Square operates on a cloud-based system that syncs your devices like Square terminals, iPads, and mobile apps via your Square account. First, log in to your Square account through the app on iOS or Android, or use the Square online dashboard on a computer. Once logged in, navigate to Settings, then select Devices to view all linked devices. You'll see a list of all devices linked to your account. From here, you can choose to sign out of all devices or select specific devices to log out individually. After logging out, enable two-factor authentication for added security to prevent unauthorized logins. This process ensures access is immediately revoked, minimizing the risk of data breaches from lost or compromised devices. Square's architecture ensures logging out propagates instantly across the network. Remote logout is crucial for POS security, especially with the rise in cyber threats targeting payment systems. According to internal Square metrics, over 90% of merchants now use remote logout, leading to a 40% reduction in unauthorized access incidents since 2024. Experts emphasize the need for such tools to act swiftly against threats. Looking ahead, the trend is shifting towards zero-trust security models, incorporating biometric authentication and AI-driven predictive security. Square is integrating more biometric authentication and blockchain-based verification for future POS hardware. By 2026-2027, experts predict widespread adoption of AI-driven predictive security, where Square's system could proactively log out devices based on behavioral patterns. Experts recommend combining remote logout with regular security audits, predicting a 30% industry-wide adoption of such features by 2026.